Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Brother printer supports wireless setup and that firmware is current. This avoids hidden issues later. Next, gather your mobile device plus the exact Wi-Fi SSID and password. Mistyped credentials are the most common failure. Once done, power the printer, navigate to its network or WLAN menu, and put it into Wi-Fi setup mode so the device can see your router. Make sure the printer's display shows it is ready to connect. You now use the Brother app to do the heavy lifting because it walks you through device discovery and credential transfer. Open Brother iPrint and Scan or Brother Mobile Connect, run the app's Wi-Fi setup wizard, and allow location or network permissions so it can find the printer. Then select your SSID and type the password carefully. If your router supports WPS, you can use that option instead. WPS is faster but less secure, so manual entry is preferred for home offices. You finish by confirming the printer's display shows the correct SSID and an IP address. This proves it joined the network. Once confirmed, print a network configuration page and add the printer within your phone's print settings so apps can locate it. If things go wrong, first restart the router and printer, then retry manual setup. Make sure the router uses 4 GHz if the printer lacks 5 GHz support, and double-check the Wi-Fi password for typos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.